Hi, I'm Justin, and today we will be working on my truck again. See it? So last night I was driving home from the movies and I noticed that it was a little dark, and so I got a headlight out, and so I'm just gonna replace both of them now because I don't know how old they were to start with, and I thought it'd be something really easy. I was just gonna do it off camera, but once I started opening up I was like, oh yeah, I remember putting these lights in because they are aftermarket headlights that I put in previously, and you do have to go through a bit of a process to get it off. You have to take this front grille off, this little gasket, and then a couple of bolts, and these pop right out and should be able to swap the bulbs out. Thought I'd take you along for the ride. Let's get started. Plot twist. Alright, so I went to install the other bulbs and I had grabbed the wrong bulbs. Apparently my aftermarket LED lights need H1 halogen bulbs. So I went back to the store, traded them out. For traditional stock lights, you're going to need an H11 bulb. Much easier to install. This one's a little bit different. It doesn't look like a traditional headlight bulb, so there is a spring. I'll be showing you how to do that, so keep an eye out. So there is a little spring here you press down on, it unlocks it. I think that's it. See if that worked. We have light, yay! Thank you for joining my ASMR today. That's for you, Brian, and Ashley, and Bryce, and anybody else who likes ASMR. Let me know if you leave in the comments below if you want me to start an ASMR channel. Nope.